Ecoway. Expect better. Welcome to the remote control troubleshooting video. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to pair your remote control to your smart toilet. Model Supreme 100. Step 1. Unplug the toilet from the power socket. Step 2. Go ahead and press the stop power button once, then hold the stop power button for 5 seconds to power off the remote control. Step 3. Go ahead and press the stop power button once, then hold it for 5 seconds. Let's do it one more time. Repeat the same process by pressing the stop power button once, then holding it for 5 seconds. Step 4. While holding the remote control near the smart toilet, go ahead and connect it back to the power socket. If you did all the steps correctly, after connecting your smart toilet back to the power socket, the light indicator will start flashing and the toilet will perform a short rinse cycle. Step 5. Go ahead and press the auto temperature button and hold it for 5 seconds. The light indicator on the remote control will start flashing, indicating successful pairing. Congratulations, your remote is now paired to the toilet. Press the flush button to try it out. If the pairing process is not successful, try the above steps again or contact Ecoway customer service for further assistance. Thank you for watching.